So for my Spider-Man cuffs, I want to try to make it so it has like a watch thingy embedded into it, kind of like an AI system, but it'll just be an Apple Watch, because that's an Apple Watch holder, and I want to make that to be a part of the thing, so that if I have an Apple Watch, I can just slide it into there, and I have my own little like screen or whatever there, so it'll actually be functional. Alright, so I came up with this little design right here. Okay. I don't know why everything is pink, but I was able to get this little Apple Watch holder into this to make it look kind of like it belongs. It doesn't look exactly like it belongs, but I don't know. I think this will work, because I can just put the little watch in here, and I can honestly take off the strap so I don't have to have it on my arm, and the watch will just like sit in this little pocket right here, and it'll all be fine. So yeah.